That was lucky. Well, that came off way too easy. Oh, that's a good start. Hey everybody, welcome back. Another week, another video. Today we're going to be setting up some new tools I got. I got a KX125 engine that my cousin brought me. His kid was out riding it and it locked up on him, so we're going to tear this thing apart and try and find out what happened and hopefully get this thing fixed. So we're going to start with getting some of my new tools set up, and then we'll get this engine mounted on the new engine stand. Alright, and for my next magic trick, nothing like a milk crate engine. Main reason this thing came in, you guys hear that? I don't know if you can see that, but the connecting rod got super hot, so I don't know. We're gonna have to take this thing apart and find out. Well, that came off way too easy. Maybe they already had that off, judging by how stripped out some of these screws are. Wish me luck. Don't have my impact screwdriver. Oh, that's a good sign. Hallelujah. I don't know if you can see that. That got pretty stripped out. Yikes. Well, that's not a good sign. I don't know if you can see that. That's all sand in there. That's not good. Wonder if that crank seal went. We'll keep diving. That was lucky. Oh, that's a good start. Just broke the shifter bolt off. Sweet. run this piece. Something's going on with that seal. Yikes. Don't know if you can see that all the way around there, but it's all bumpy and raised up. I wonder if it got super hot or someone beat the crap out of it installing it. I don't know. That doesn't look good. That there is a problem. So get this thing pressed apart and see if we can fix it or replace it. Alright, we got this thing torn down. I'm running out of time today, so I'm just going to try and get my parts all organized, tidied up, and then we'll start working on the next bit in the next video. So thanks for sticking with me, and we'll see you guys in the next one.